Every year, 1.35 million people are killed in road crashes, meaning someone dies every 24 seconds. All crashes are devastating for those involved, with a massive effect on their families and friends. The wider and longer term effects also have a deep cost to society and the wider economy. So cars must be designed to protect their occupants during collisions, not just to reduce the risk of death, but also to reduce potential injuries. Therefore, for all car makers, safety is one of the most important performance attributes, with the clear objective of protecting occupants on the inside, but also protecting those on the outside, pedestrians, cyclists, and emergency services responding to crashes. Reducing the risk of injury and ultimately saving lives is achieved by careful design of a car's base body structure and external panels, the parts and control systems within the car, and detailed tuning of the safety restraint system. Safety performance targets can be objectively measured. Proof comes from destructive and non-destructive tests on full vehicles, specific subsystems, and even individual components. A car's safety requirements and capability depends on numerous factors, many of which are set before pencil hits paper and are independent of the actual specification of the car. These elements are prerequisites, incorporated into the concept, and will dictate what is and isn't acceptable as the design matures, from sketches and themes to three-dimensional clay models, and from computer virtual development through to physical validation, and then finally onto the showroom floor. The safety of every car is influenced by the laws and regulations that determine design requirements and allowable performance levels as defined by governments around the world. Because technology, traffic conditions, and the range of cars on the road don't stay the same, the rules regularly evolve, and sales won't be allowed until performance is proven. Each design is shaped by guidelines. Experience, knowledge, lessons learned, and competitor benchmarking are incorporated into the parameters used to define the necessary safety performance. Every car brand has its own interpretation of safety. Some brands are known as safety leaders and shape the value of safety and the way it is used to sell cars. While the laws are the same, different vehicle types can be distinguished by the way safety is communicated. Market trends affect the appropriate level of safety design for each vehicle category and segment and the particular geographical territory it is sold into. So safe car design has to account for expected safety features and will be influenced by consumer safety ratings, for example, the new car assessment programs. Every car buyer has a key role to play in the design of their car, whether it's the number of airbags or the availability of driver warning and assistance systems, combined with the car's planned usage. The owner dictates the design direction long before a concept takes shape. Consideration for the cost of ownership is also important. Purchase price, insurance rating, and damage and repair costs all affect and are affected by a car's safety performance.